Are you having problems with Microsoft SQL not locating the sqlncli10 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To begin our sqlncli10 library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the sqlncli10 library, the SQL Server Native Client 10.0. It provides the localized unmanaged, localized OLE DB, and localized ODBC localized connectivity shims for localized SQL Server 2008 localized environments, mandatory for localized legacy, localized database, localized automation. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. sqlncli10 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing sqlncli10 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry Hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of sqlncli10 library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. A recommended diagnostic path for sqlncli10 library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for sqlncli10 library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.